Alright, now tangira program nyamurunyi program yawe Omunyeeto omuhereza anabitunumsha ankwinire bingi program so icyo rakore ogunohorebe ibinkuteba kansize kandi nyenda kutara akagisha kureba ngo ori TV West. Anyway, reka mfutare omcheshongo za kugayo ndukoreka ebinkwinire program.
Rudi utotoni, usipotembea utabebwa mgongoni. Fafa champion boy nite Bwana Samata. Wanaota mapembe ongeze mkia, na ukini beep tunakupigia. Let me make one thing clear, bra 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 staki kusikia. So simba so chui so mamba, kuzi yangu inatosha kujigamba. Na sina maneno kwenye kanga, kazi juu ya kazi yanibamba tubamba. Msa unaweza kuzaa kisasa, sisi yana fegi uchome kibanda. Kalale wote ndoto zako za kitanda, si bado tuko macho mida ya wanga. Funga mkanda, kaza na kamba, ama ufate nyayo uchane msamba. Pasua miamba, pasua anga, tunasemaga chambua kama karanga. Hey! Maisha na muziki, acha maneno weka muziki. Ukiwa sub, kiwa hap, kiwa juu, kiwa chini, piga muziki. Safari na muziki, acha maneno weka muziki. Kimba unachopenda na ukitaka kucheza, cheza muziki.
Bambata, shika, kamata, rumba, chakata, kaboka mchizi shadata, shadata.
Nataka kukimbia na una break, what do you expect? Bongo, Kongo kwa tabu beki, cheza lokasa ya mbongo uwezi kumeki. Watch yourself, sije ukajikonfuse. Mzuko wa kuruka rege kwenye bluzi, una mchuzi, no excuse. Maisha yetu kila siku kama vile movie, vitu vingine vitakagi ujuaji. Utajikuta unatandikia watu jamvi, kusubiria embe chini ya mnazi. Kumwelewesha chizi utajipa kazi. Funga mkanda, kaza na kamba, ama ufate nyayo uchane msamba. Wasua miamba, wasua anga, tunasemaga chambua kama karanga. Hey! Maisha na muziki, acha maneno weka muziki. Ukiwa sub, kiwa hap, kiwa juu, kiwa chini, piga muziki. Safari na muziki, acha maneno weka muziki. Kimba unachopenda na ukitaka kucheza, cheza muziki. Wanatamani tupotee kwenye map, tunapeleka game to the top top. I thought I told ya that we don't stop, don't stop, we don't stop. Wanatamani tupotee kwenye map, tunapeleka game to the top top. I thought I told ya that we don't stop, we don't stop.
Amgwesheyo amukahumuro kandi nagaruka n'Omunyeeto nzakantuganira ahamurama oguna nakugambire ndukwijya omurama gutugenzagambaho omurama turinzagamba ahabeji abari kujoininga music bakigenda bashoma so ntebuza notekateka ngo abeji aba bari kujoininga music nibashoma ninga bakuza kweshongarana bashoma nikiretera bakora kubi omwishomero ninga so ninza kuganira n'Omunyeeto batugambire entekateka yabo ahamurama batini no basa kutugambira entekateka yawo orukurabira omusimu messages handike tugamba Omunyeeto reka akanya taho entekateka yawe waheza ohereze ahamnana ishat Facebook TV West ni hinda like that page otugambire Twitter @TV West you still not following nabakira aha program
amabaragange nibanyeta Shagi Peterson kanyoni intekereza omwegi kuba nataha music industry bondiki kuba najoininga music industry ati kwa affectinga kusoma kwe nkarulengo rwa university abo kusanga ngo university kujya kurora omuntu wasoma waraba mu level zona for example yaraba mu second mu nursery yagenda mu primary exam secondary ka university that means inakoba developing self drive so buli kimu kyone kyokukora noba nokimanya oba okuba nosanga ngo oyina talent nk'egyo okajoininga music noba nomanya how you can balance your books and music. Nyowe ntekereza nke yange abokuba I have an experience ndi muzini nyina ebizina bitaito
oyo omuzini
so
okay
nindora nyowe ekiti ku affecting omuntu baitu nikisoko affecting omuntu wali mu levels za hansi nka secondary primary abokuba nabataka developing the self drive
nchimu affecting chita kureba ngo taka kureba ngo omishomeye echo yazo music cham affecting mnonga yakora kuba omishomero nchimu affecting chita
hati obokuba norora abana bali arulengo rwa primary na secondary abamu abakiro wingine babataka developing the self drive so no sanga nabali under the restrictions ezamuzeirewe kandi no wire mbo buli restricted obwakuturukira muno bwakutahira muka so no sanga ngu obwakujoininga music industry na yega ebintu ebitali bimunabe for example alo ebintu ebya associated na music obwakujoininga ka music industry no sanga oyina kugenda ikironko mu clubs to interact with different musicians so no sanga ngu obwongo mwana wali arulengo rwa primary na secondary buchali buto in that process no sanga ngu obwongo bwa focal damage kandi na self drive ko bataka developing no sanga affecting kusoma.
Thank you.
Mabara gange mbanye Talubega Hajara nanye ndi mwana w'isomero at campus baitu omuntu kugenda music teach kwa affectinga kusoma habo kuba kakuba if we say obokuba noenda kuba musician okagenda ha campus that means campus ekyogenze kora ekyogenze kusoma either you're doing a course yokora yona like business finance nova oine ensonga habwaki you need that course so you take that course in number one in your life no gihobwire bwingi kukira music kandi nova of course no in a timetable you time yourself no bwire no gamba nka music ninza kuba ni practicing like how weekends ni some ebitabu this and this such and such a time noba no ebalira obwire bwawo.
Okay no ebalira obwire konkantereba ngo campus nyingi harimo abana bejumbira mu kweshongora kandi nore nko kuzo mu kweshongora noza yo murundo gumeka tugire ngo wa kwatsire wayimanyireho kweshongora nofuna chance katugire ngo bakweta ahasho ananka nebagete ha like show ninga ekivuru cyone kibakwetaho wazayo murundo gumwe noza kugira umutima goguma notekateka hine shosherho handi nkazayo hine ekivure kinde kiri bakanyeta mwe ntoxitoringo mushomero then ohuro ino umutima goguma nogenda habivure ebyo ohendera wayebwa ecyakutwira campus
hati ekyo nikibaho of course okubagule murundo gwago okubanza wagenda wazina you get no funa abantu bayingi a lot of funds no gamba even tomorrow lekanga okay but still nova oina kumanya anti in the campus nkagenda kusoma I need this course it is going to help me oina kuba no balancing ebintu bibiri so I advise omuntu obokuba norora you can balance the two things oina kuba no oina kusoma then okaga music beito kuba oli oina ogwo mutima ogogamba tomorrow yesterday they invited me for a sosh nyenche erinka ahubwo mutima you cannot manage
that means music ne affecting abana mu mashomero reka twere cyoga
ni nyowe Raymond Mugume ndi mwege kandi I also work with the youth korona na Omunyeeto ati nyowe interacting around our youth levels kwa okana in high schools at campus because I'm also at campus and I've also interacted with bano abazini na wongerezo ku interacting na abazini at different levels so omuntu kusoma no kuba no soma kwagenda kutandika kuzina there is a way it affects you somehow kinengere kikulemesa kusoma baitu kandi if you take it walk it wara mungeri and kusobora kutakulemesa okuba first of all tukwenda tubanze tunulire aside yokusoma sometimes okusanga the level you're yokusoma oli mu high school kambanze tunulire high school umwana oli mu secondary tino wunku heleza magezi atandike kuzina
which
because boko oli mu high school you have a lot of you have a lot of things to do. Oyine kusoma biology, chemistry, geography, physics, everything. Even if you're in A-level, mo A-level hariyo geography paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, and this is too much. There is no way ogenda kufuno wile wogenda kuzina. Again, you do this, but also there is also a level of music, because also music ina emitendera ekwaukana. When okugamba iyo music yawe tokujja gitwara to the studio level, obana bakugenda kuzinira abantu mu bivulu mu club nka, maybe you're only singing for live band, because in some schools harama somera gamwa gali developed ga kurakura ine ga inaho clubs zinu ka interact we have interact club. You can go and rap. We have twina batrozere yeah, I've seen Big Trill. It wasn't we akabali ha Turkish Light, the abana ba rapping aga in the dining, but right now bakuzire baleki bali bwire buno. Okay. But if you want burano enda kuzina bine bya club, don't start it olinka high school. And now when you go to campus, campus nobano yetwara abazaire bakuhe sente is pocket money okusobora kusaving how you go and record a song, and campus you don't in a workload ya money.
Okay, thank you so much. Wagambe cyo kugira ngo abazire no bakuhereza sente pocket money o saving hezo kuza on studio. Think hamya ngo abazire bitu nibatereze sente nyingi kureba ngo tuyeho kace ko kusavinga tukaza mu studio, kandi tureba ngo icyo kintu kiretire abana baza omubikoro batashimiye kubana bazamo, because agira mu music naronda sente zo kuza mu studio gukora ibyo shongorobi.
No, akintu kesente kin obutuku wa campus they for you see nyonyikiriza muno in people development. You can develop yourself no foka ekyobaye ekikukiraho, and akale in this case tukubantu tunulira muno business, because you got ogenda kora business no yenda kufuna mesente zikira ezo teidem. And when you train yourself to save, trust me, omuzere gonzana kwa emitwaro 10 at the beginning of the semester okusobora kwe training and no saving akasente kataito. You say njagenda mu studio no we have a studio very cheap, as long as because you have a talent you can record, but it does not guarantee that wokuboli ha campus you will succeed in music. No.
Okay, thank you. Do you support echo kugira ngo abana babari ya campus wawagize ngo supporting abazo music konka no supporting echo kugira ngo omuzira akasenta ki yakuhereza oyiho kake ko kuzo gukora echo shongoro?
Echo Raymond, what you've talked about echo kusavinga rundi buli omuzira, if that omuzira wakwana kwa 2M abakuba sente za music norora ekizina norora nibagambe mtwaro nka 10 recording
and studios kan noenda ekishongoro cyawe kikwateyo
nino banoenda kora videos enungi, you want to make good audios. Now I was agreeing on that umuntu obokuba nokora music tichikwa affectinga, but this time I want to also disagree. Abokuba there are people who use tuition. Yeah. No like kizina kya, which is the right season to make it, like no hati nkokugamba kuzina honka Easter kutere kizina kya Yesu kumbuka, and this is the season, it is about to be Easter. But kwa tuition you have not saved, your mom has not given you enough pocket money, and you have tuition. What do you do? Ati ogo mwana no sanga ye hahezo sente
abamwene baba batakweshongora konkareba mugenzi we na shongora kandi arabiremu when she still a student or when he's still a student agira ngo abona afuna chance ba competition age kanje koziseho nanje mbe nkananga kandi ahendera reme workshop.
Obukuba norora the education system in Uganda and education system yomusizahero, they are completely different. Kandi obukuba norora itu education yetu kuno mu Uganda no sanga ngo nibakuforcinga kukole kintu kyotakwenda. No sanga omuzere nakugamba genda okole business abakuba nawe akakora business, of which no sanga mutema gwawo teremu.
Okay.
But what I want to tell the listeners, nyenda kubagambira ngo there is a personality. Personality is a set of ethics that identifies one from the other. So nsokuba mpikira campus, my personality is I value music so much. So hati no sanga ngo buri kimu cyone kinkukora no kuba ni soma music ege no sanga ngo niyeto iro mutema.
Yo no tureba no wasakutwegetaho turiye tuganira aha kintu cyo kushanga ngo ntoyebuza ngo abana bari kujoininga music industry ninga abakuzo mu kweshongora nibachoma nikibaretera bakora kubi baba riyo mishomo yabo ninga twegeteho otagambire zo messages handike kigambo Omunyeeto reka hakanya tereho intekateka yawe waheza ohereza ahanana ishat no basa uza Facebook page yitu TV West nehinda waheza kugira ikinga tereho intekateka yawe Twitter @TV West UG reka nzo mukahumura kake munonga nza kubona ingaruka so